In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to fix Roblox select account not showing after the update. Let's get started. So if you suddenly notice that the select account or account switcher option has disappeared, you can follow these steps. First thing you want to do is log out of your account and log in back. Click on the settings icon, click on log out, then log in back. This helps refresh your session and often brings the missing option back. Next, clear cache and cookies. Click on three dots, go to settings, go to privacy and security. Click on the option delete browsing data. Check in for all these options. Select the time range, click on delete data and confirm the deletion. This forces Roblox to reload fresh files instead of using outdated stored data, which is often the cause of missing interface option. Another important thing to keep in mind is the age requirement. The select account or account switcher feature is only available for users who are 13 and above. So if your account is under that age or has parental restrictions enabled, the option may not appear at all. Finally, if none of these solutions work, completely delete the Roblox app. So launch settings, go to the option apps, navigate to the section installed apps, find Roblox. Once it appears, click on three dots. Select the option uninstall. Now navigate to the official website of Roblox from where you can download it to your PC. And that's it. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.